Hi guys, it's Becky, and I just got my Sam's bead box, and you guys, look at the theme. Ah, this is gonna be really cool. I haven't opened this yet. I am going to be recording this today, but I'm gonna be saving it, and I'm not going to make it public until after the official unboxing that Sam's Bead Box does, because I don't want to spoiler anybody. But this is going to be really cool. I'm excited to see what we've got in here. Oh boy. Why is this so hard? Am I bad at opening boxes? Okay, here we go. Ooh, I got some Werthers. I will eat those later. All right. We gotta read the blurb. Figure out about this. It's Nealay's box, guys. It's Nealay's box. All right. I may have gotten a little too excited about this. I love Silversilk projects. You may have seen some of my tutorials where I use Silversilk products. I love it so much. When I joined their group, like I was like, why is everybody so enthusiastic about this? I was like, did I join a cult? Like I literally, that was my first pulse. And I mean, maybe, yeah, but I am an enthusiastic member of that cult because like the Silversilk products are just so much fun, and Nealay is so awesome, like just as a person. So excited to collaborate with Nealay Patel, designer friend and owner of Silversilk More for the September box. So it's knitted wire chains, and like I know we're gonna have some of this in here. So okay, I'm gonna skip past this. They will have all of this on their website if you want to go read it, but I'm gonna get right into the box because I can't stand it anymore and I need to see what's in here. All right, so let's get this unboxed, and we've got everything is recyclable, guys. I love this about this. Everything is recyclable, except for the Werther's wrappers. And probably the plastic. Look! Pipe chain. Okay, now pipe chain is if you have a latex allergy, you probably don't want to be using it because it is rubber tubing with the knitted wire around it. But I love it. Okay, so we have pipe chain. Ah, this is so great. Look at these colors. This is the fall colors, guys. It's fall colors, y'all. But we've got some greens and everything too. Oh, beautiful. Okay, so we've got the pipe chain, and we also have, it looks like some Silversilk end caps. These look a little bit different from the Silversilk ones, but they still fit. And actually, I've used the like glue-in end caps to cap my Silversilk pipe chain before. But we are going to have some fun stuff to do with this. I know they're going to have like tutorials and stuff and things like how to use it. I will try to come up with some other tutorials on things you can do with pipe chain so that you guys can have some options. But yeah, so we've got open end cap yellow brass, 5mm 6-piece set. Again, it says right there, don't use if you have a rubber allergy. So there's our piece of Silversilk, and you know what? They always do a collab where Nealay will put out some custom pipe chain and custom flat mesh stuff that are usually available with the extras from Sam's Bead Shop. So I'm excited to see what they've got available for that. Sometimes I will buy them, sometimes my budget doesn't allow, and that's okay because we do what we can, right? All right, let's get our strands over here, and then we will start opening up some bags. And after we open up the bags, we'll go through our strands. Check it out. Look at these big, chunky wood beads. It's like walking through the forest right here. It's wonderful. All right. I'm opening this up because this is a gorgeous, gorgeous pendant stone. This is the thing about Sam's Bead Shop is you always get like the most interesting like gemstone and check glass, and sometimes they get stuff that like is unique to Sam's Bead Shop. That's only available from them. Oh wait, hold on. Kabamba jasper. I'd say this is pretty fancy. Maybe not be fancy jasper, but it's fancy enough for me. All right, I just opened up the bargain bead box with the fancy jasper, so I'm here for more jasper, and this is too big to fit in a single one of these. So I'm putting that down, and I'm gonna lean it against the edge, and I'm just gonna make sure that's definitely gonna close. Perfect. All right. I love the deep greens, the foresty colors. Let's see what else we've got. Specialty Wood Focal Collection. Let's look at our wood bits. We have a twisty guy. I don't know if there's a special name for that or not. I'm calling it a twisty guy. We've got a little coffin guy. We've got one flat. Oh, you know what? I've got some paint. I could paint this. I could definitely paint this. That would be fun. Oh, I love this though. I think I would leave this just the way it is, but maybe have like a leaf bead or something in front of it. Do we have any leaf beads? I could swear there were leaves in here. Am I mistaken? Maybe it's because everything's green that I think there's some leaves. Maybe one of these teardrops right in front of there. Anyway, I'm gonna stop having ideas on camera, and I'm going to get down to the business of opening these. So we've got a mosaic oval, 12 by 25 one piece. I love that these are all labeled too, so I don't have to like go down a list. I will have to. Ooh, my goodness, look at how beautiful that is. All right, I'm gonna set that my special bead that's going right there in the front. There's some very special beads in here. Check glass twist brios. Oh, see that wood one, that's a twist. Okay, twisty guy. That's what I called it. So you've got bronze and hematite mix. So some of them are nice hematite color, and some of them are this bronze color. These, oh boy, these are beautiful. You get like the most gorgeous beads from Sam's. I'm just saying. Check glass geometric mix, long diamond, and geo ovals. Let's take a look at these. These must be the geo ovals, and there's two different colors, and then two long diamonds. And these are all sorts of different colors. I'm going to stick them right here. And we may be adding a couple of other beads into there with them, because I don't know that we're going to fit all of these in the same thing unless we have some friends who are sharing a bunk. Actually, I think these would probably be good together too. So you've got glass fire polished faceted rounds, and it looks like we've got several different sizes, or a couple of different sizes anyway. We have the two great big balls, 14 millimeter and then 8 millimeter. You know what? You guys can go in there with those two. That'll be fine. And there's probably enough room here for the agate. It's star cut and dyed green, 9.5 millimeter. I like this cut. That is a fun cut. Whoop! Where are you going? Where are you going, buddy? All right. Yeah, I know I'm wearing a sweater. It's fine. It's because I live in Texas and the air conditioning is on. Anyway. Check glass lacy coin beads. This is a mix as well. I don't think you have two of those. These two are the same, I think. No. Looks like they are all different colors. That is fun. That is fun. You guys are going there. All of my different colors of beads. We got a variety of colors. A variety of these beads. Check glass pebble chips. Green Picasso luster. That's these guys right here. All right, we got some more specialty ones. Check glass hexagon, jet black with silver triangles. More fancy ass beads. Oh, sorry, Mom. I like those beads. Those are gonna make some great earrings, let me tell you. Some great earrings. We've got check glass earring pairs, aha! Art Deco fans and faceted long drops. These guys have, like, you don't even need a bead cap on these. They're already ready to go. And look at the way this finish looks on these Art Deco fans. I'm sticking them here with the other fancy beads. I'm gonna set these aside for now while I try and see how these strands are gonna fit. Look at these fat beads. They have like a gold spray finish on them. Let me find the list with our strands. Emerald bronze, I guess that's what this color is. It's emerald with the bronze spray, not gold. And these are 10mm English cuts. And it is an 8-piece strand, so there's 8 of these guys. I'm going to stick them right in here. And you know what? I think they're going to be just fine right there. And then it looks like we've got another one that is the same finish, but it is a 6mm strand. And these guys are going to go together. And our big old 10mm guys are going to be like, don't ever talk to me or my son again. I don't know, maybe they're just doing that in my head. I am having a day. Look at these. We've got so many wood beads. This is really cool. I love wood beads. Ugh. All right. Let's keep going. Imitation malachite wood jasper round dyed green. That would be these. So let's zoom in so you guys can maybe see some of the striations on these beads. It's hard to see from far away, but I think that's why they're saying it's wood jasper, because it has these striations on it. Hopefully you guys can see those. All right, I'm going to stick this right here next to it. This is a very rich colorway. Like, the whole palette is woodsy and deep. I love it. All right, now we've got African Wenge wood tube beads. That's these. This would be check glass melon beads. This one is 6mm, and it is dark amber silver. And then English cut bronze 3.5mm strand. That would be these little guys. It is dark brown, so that's 3.5mm English cut. Burmese rosewood smooth rounds. That Burmese rosewood, that's what these are. And these are a really gorgeous color of, I mean, it's rosewood, but there we go. And then some gold lined clear crystal 4mm rounds, or 4mm fire polish. And then we've got some 8mm fire polish. So let's get these two together in their own little spots. The big beads and the little beads. And now I'm gonna lay that down so I can put these wood beads in here. I wonder if they'll just, yeah, they just pack in all by themselves. Or actually, let's undo them from the strand. Because they'll be easier to work with if I just have to pick them up from there. All right, and I bet these would all fit in one container area. Let's find out. Yes. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right. We are almost done packing these guys away. I may have gotten too many beads. It's entirely possible that there are too many beads. This is not a problem, Sam. Don't try to fix it. All right, so we're gonna get a little tiny, teeny tiny English cuts and our check glass melon beads in here. And now I have 3 things of beads that need a home. I've got more of these belly button beads. They're glass hex rondelles, but they look like belly button beads to me. And these are hematite. So I'm gonna stick them right in here. And then we've got these pear brios. One is green opal Picasso luster and the other is black bronze, jet black bronze. I don't know if the light is gonna hit this right or not, but this one's kind of see-through. It's a good lake water effect. I'm gonna set these brios in here with our coin beads. And then where are we gonna put our turbine beads? It's green silk Picasso. I think the turbine beads are going in here with these guys. Oh my gosh, I got them all in here. I mean, except for this, but it's a little too big to fit in here. But yeah, there's usually, with the extras, you can buy some Silversilk products that go with this. When they post the extras, they'll also often have some seed beads that go or are set to coordinate with this. But look how lush this is. This is lush. This is definitely walking in the woods, in the mountains. I love it. This is gorgeous. Anyway, this is a great box. I'm glad that they got Nealay involved in this, and I'm excited to see what kind of tutorials he is going to put together with how to work with all of these. Anyway, if you want to subscribe to Sam's Bead Box, I'll put a link to the subscription down below. You wouldn't get this bead box, but they usually put the extras on sale when they do the reveal. So by the time I get this up, they should already be available for sale. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Bye.